In this video, I'm going to show you how I customize this phone case. To do this, we need paper, scissor, pen, pencil, cutter, and eraser. Now, let's measure the phone case and start sketching. Sketch is done, and now it's time for the inking part. Once the ink lines are dry, we can now proceed for the coloring, and I'll be using alcohol markers. But you can also use any color materials that you have, just like color pencil, crayons, or watercolor. The drawing design is done, and let's just cut the paper based on phone case measurement. Finally, it's done. So enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters. This video is pretty much done, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.